Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove Audi A4 headlights. First, let's prepare for the task. You'll need a few basic tools, including Torx screwdrivers, specifically T25 and T30 sizes, a 10mm socket, and a trim removal tool. Always prioritize safety by parking your car on a flat surface, turning off the ignition, and engaging the parking brake. Begin by opening the hood and carefully removing the plastic cover situated above the grille. This cover is typically held in place by 4 expanding rivets. For many Audi A4 models, gaining full access to the headlights requires partially or fully removing the front bumper cover. Start by removing 3 T30 Torx screws located along the top edge of the bumper, often visible after the grille cover is off. Next, in each wheel well, you'll need to remove several T25 fasteners and 2 10mm nuts. Once these are loose, gently pull the bumper cover forward, detaching it from the vehicle. Remember to disconnect any fog light wiring harnesses before fully removing the bumper. With the bumper cover moved aside, you can now focus on the headlight unit itself. Each headlight is typically secured by 3 T30 Torx bolts. You'll find these bolts on the top and sometimes the side of the headlight assembly. After removing these fasteners, carefully slide the entire headlight unit forward. It's often guided by 2 lower pins, so a gentle wiggle might be needed. Finally, reach behind the headlight and disconnect the main electrical connector by pressing its release tab and pulling it free. To reinstall your Audi A4 headlight, simply reverse the removal steps. First, reconnect the electrical harness to the back of the headlight unit, ensuring it clicks firmly into place. Then, carefully slide the headlight back into its mounting guides, aligning the bolt holes. Secure it with the 3 T30 Torx bolts, tightening them snugly but not excessively. Finally, reattach the front bumper cover, making sure all fasteners are in place and any fog light connections are reconnected. Test your headlights before driving to confirm proper function.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.